Hello there. It is Tuesday, January 21st. It's a little bit after 9 p.m. and I am Yvonne de Celis coming to you on YDCtv. I'm here today to do a quick-ish video. This is an energy medicine modality called reflexology. I'm going to be putting a link to a reflexology hand map that coincides with another video that I watched, which I will also include a link to. I'll put the link in the description, and I will also put it up as a link that you will be able to get to within this video. I've also painted my hand just to make it sort of match up to the video. Basically, green right over here, it sort of looks like a bean. The green is for lung congestion. On these 4 fingers, this looks pink. It's actually lavender, but it really came out looking pink. The pink, or lavender, which it was supposed to be, is for your neck. It's for neck pains, or I would think it would help with congestion, but I'll also show you another energy medicine exercise you can do that will help you if you've got neck troubles, throat troubles. And also for throat troubles, the lavender, or pink, let's be honest, on the thumb, this is for throat troubles. And then if you have sinus problems, postnasal drip, anything like that, that's what the blue section is for. I just tried to paint my hands to try to give you guys an idea of where you need to do the actual, I'm going to do it with this hand, but you would use your thumb, basically the knuckle right here, and dig in pretty hard into those spots. So if you have lung congestion, for example, what you want to do is very vigorously massage this spot. So the green, where I have the green, I'm going to use that bone knuckle joint of my thumb and just kind of really sort of dig and massage vigorously. And then you want to do the corresponding area on the other side of your hand. So you can use either your thumb or your fingers and just kind of dig in and massage very vigorously. Vigorously, not to the point of pain, but to the point of discomfort. Do both sides. Same thing for up here. You can do it several times, and you can do both hands. That'll help. Just remember, do both hands and both sides to the corresponding areas, and that will help you. And again, there will be eventually, not right away, but there will eventually be a link to both the hand reflexology map that I painted my hand to sort of resemble, and the corresponding hand reflexology video. But I do want to show you guys one more energy exercise that I've tried and I've found very effective for me, so I want to share it with you. Sorry that this is in the way, but I just wanted to do this as quickly as I could. I do have a pair of glasses on that are definitely in the way, so I'm going to lower them a little bit. This is just quick and easy. You want to start at one side, and what we're going to do is go from one side all the way to the other. And what you do is you put your hand on your collarbone and the corresponding other hand on the very bottom of your jawbone. And what you're doing is you're basically pulling apart. You're not trying to pull the bones apart. You're just trying to stretch the skin apart a little bit. And you're just going to go along from one side to the other, or from one ear to the other. You want to go all the way from where your ear meets with your neck, go all the way to the other side. And as you do the jaw, do the collarbone at the same time. So to push the jawbone up and the collarbone down, stretch the skin out between the jawbone and the collarbone, go all the way from one ear to the next. And then when you're done with that, baby pinches so that it doesn't hurt, just with your index finger and your thumb, all around the area where you have the most discomfort in your throat, between the areas we've just stretched out. This will redirect the healing energies to where they are most needed. According to Donna Eden, my energy healing guru. She's not the one I got my certification from. I got it from a Thai, but Donna Eden's the one I discovered energy healing through. Although I got my certification from the Energy Healing Academy and at Thai, and she's also amazing. So again, just do the baby pinches all over, and that's it. Then just rub your hands together, shake them out, get rid of that negative energy, and that's pretty much everything. So I hope that helps. Once again, give me a little bit of time, but then as soon as I can, I will put links up to the hand reflexology map and video. I'll also put the link up here. If you're interested in other things on my channel, like updates, things like that, just subscribe, and that will give you occasional notifications as I update or add videos to my channel. As always, to my loyal subscribers and to everybody else, if you're here watching my video, Namaste. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you again here soon. Peace and light. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any requests for future energy healing exercises you would like to see me do on my channel. Thank you so much. Peace and light once again. Namaste.